Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and delete a Netflix profile. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily create and add a profile on Netflix account. To be able to do so, you'll need to go and visit netflix.com on a computer, since you cannot create or delete your profile on a mobile application version. Once you click open the web browser, type in www.netflix.com and search. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you are, go and click on your profile picture at the upper right. From the expanded menu, click on Manage Profiles. You'll end up in this page. Now, in order to create a profile, click on this Add Profile button. Type in the name of the profile that you'd like to create. If this is a kid's profile, click on this box that says Kid. Now, click on Continue, and you'll be able to create a profile just like that on Netflix. If you'd like to delete it, click on this pencil icon and go to the bottom of the page where it says Delete Profile. Click it on and confirm your deletion by clicking on Delete Profile on the next page. That is how you can easily add, create, or delete a profile on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.